Hi guys, with this tutorial I want to show you how to add a shadow to your object in your video. At first you must copy your main video, and then you must remove the background of this object. So you have only this dancing man in the middle, for example. And this you can do by using the remove BG function. I have the pro version of Capcut, so I can use the quick brush. It's very easy to use, and just mark your object and the Capcut will do everything for you. Maybe the result is not perfect, but for a shadow it's totally enough. As you can see here, the Capcut already removed your video object from the rest. And yes, now we have a second layer, you can say. The object you must change to black to have a shadow optic. The brightness to 0, the contrast very high, saturation to 0, the graph to black. So now you have the black shadow on your main object. Now we need to change the position and to mirror this object. As you can see here, I always do rotation 180 degrees. And yes, mirror, then you are done. But just watch it. I show you exactly how to do it 180 degrees. And now I use the mirror function. And then I adjust the final position. Perfect. And now you should be done. As you can see here, the shadow is very black, so you can also, of course, you can change the opacity to have a little bit light, for example, to 40%. And then it sounds very realistic, as you can see here. Very nice. Thank you for watching.